Hi. Hey, rail fans out there. It's Martell and Maurice again. And have we got a big surprise for you? This train is fantastic. It is phenomenal. It is beautiful. It is a Virginia Triplex. And we waited a long time for it. And this baby just looks fantastic. We're going to do a very short video because, again, we are concentrating on getting this layout up and getting this basement in control. But my nephew is zooming in and he's showing you the fine details of this train. 700 Virginia Triplex. And this is Martell and Maurice. I'm going to give you a quick little run on this little demonstration track. And if Maurice can do the honors and running her forward. A little horn on the other throttle. Bell. And look at that. I mean, she is gorgeous. It's just too bad back in the day, this train really ran lousy. And they had to scrub this train because they had a lot of problems with the configuration in the tenders. But as modelers, haha, this is beautiful. Just look at the detailing in the back of the tender with the red lights. And spin around not too fast. I don't want to get nobody dizzy. Look at the front. Nice bright LED light. But unfortunately back in the days it didn't have LED lights. But it is highly detailed from top to bottom. Sorry for the poor lighting. I'll hand it back over to my nephew. And folks, thanks a lot. Keep on railroading. Peace.